Hello everyone, I am Deepthi Patel pursuing my bachelor from Dr. Harishin Gaur Vishwavidyalaya Sagar. In this video, I am going to talk about the topic that is very important to me, and I hope after this explanation this will be very important matter for you as well, and I hope this will be an important matter for all humanity because it is a matter between animals and humans. Today I am going to talk about zoonosis. What is zoonosis? Zoonosis is an infectious disease that is caused by pathogens. It is being transferred from an animals to humans or from non-human animals to humans. So let's talk about facts. What are the facts? The facts are that 60% of all infectious diseases in humans are caused by zoonosis. This is very important. This means that 60% of all infectious disease in humans, which include the COVID-19, is caused by zoonosis, meaning it has been transferred from an animal to the human. And then the other fact is that all 75% emerging infectious diseases is caused by zoonosis. Types of zoonosis are viral zoonosis, bacterial zoonosis, fungal zoonosis, and the parasitic zoonosis. Here I have listed few of these diseases that you have also heard a lot in the news. The pathogens that can be transferred from an animals to human are bacteria, viruses, parasites, and pyrons, which are the misfolded proteins and can be acting very dangerously on the human body. An example of this is bovine spongiform encephalopathy, which is BSP, also called mad cow disease, African sleeping sickness that is caused by trypanosoma, cat scratch disease, Chagas disease, Lyme disease, and the COVID-19. Transmissions of pathogens can be done by air, influenza, and all the flus are in this category. For example, rabies is transferred with whites and saliva. Intermediate species, which are vectors, which are transferring the disease, they aren't getting sick themselves, but they transfer from one animals to the human. Examples are, HIV was first originally passed from a monkey to human, but then over the years, a new strain of the HIV emerged that only transfer from human to human. So originally HIV was also a zoonosis, and the Ebola virus disease is also a zoonosis. Bird flu, swine flu, Spanish flu. Later on, these swine flu and Spanish flu was combined with a humanized version of the virus, which caused in 2009 the swine flu pandemic and in the 1980 the Spanish flu pandemic. As you know, the COVID-19 virus originated in Wuhan in an exotic animal market. It was transferred to humans from a bat. Now you can see how dangerous it is when you have exotic animals in particular, or you are dealing with large amount of animals and you are not eating well cooked animal meat. We have to be really conscious about also after COVID-19 crisis. When we go back into our lives, actually right now we have to really pay attention to the zoonosis and have to think about what we are doing as human beings, why we are so endangering the animal survival. I will talk about the causes of zoonosis so that we can prevent it going forward, because it's really big issue and we have to pay attention on that. And I hope this video will guide you. And if you want to avoid other pandemics like COVID-19 or another like swine flu, Spanish flu, which killed millions of people, so we have to be very careful. So let's talk about the factors that increases the emergence of zoonosis, deforestations and other land use changes. Antimicrobial resistance, this is such big issue in our world as well. Climate changes, international travel and commerce, illegal and poorly regulated wildlife trade, invasive species that carry microbes into new habitats, wildlife hunting. These are the factors that increases the emergence of zoonosis. So we have to pay attention on that. As human beings, as humanity, coronavirus infected tigers in New York City. So I want to talk about the tigers in New York City Zoo that was infected with COVID-19 virus from caregiver, and this tiger later on infected four other lions and tigers. What we do know is that cats and cat-like animals, which include tigers and lions, is almost the identical receptors, which is a protein on the cell surface that lets the virus inside of the cell with the human receptor. That's why you have to be careful if you own cat particularly, or if you have other pet animals, if you are COVID-19 positive, and if you are parenting yourself at home. Make sure you stay away from animals if you do not want to infect them. Thank you.